Whatever I'm going through, God will work it out. Things are coming together for you this year. Things are working out in your favor this year. Whatever you're praying for, God will work it out. Don't leave this service without getting what God has for you. 'Cause God will work it out. God will work it out. Because one thing I know, one thing I will find, that God